Here's how to change the payment credit card on YouTube Premium. Now, unfortunately, you cannot do it in the YouTube app. If you're on an iPhone or Android, you need to open up a web browser instead and go to youtube.com. Now, after you've logged into your account, you'll see your profile button at the very bottom right. Again, on any web browser on any device. Now we can change that payment method by getting into your settings. So let's tap on the U at the bottom right and the gear icon at the top right. Now that we are in your settings, you'll be able to see midway down, you can see purchases and memberships. You would think billing and payments is the basically step that we need to take, but unfortunately it's not in there. We need to go to purchases and memberships instead. So just tap on that and then tap on Premium. You'll be able to see it brings you to this screen where you can choose to cancel YouTube Premium if you want, pause, but next to build with, in my case, Amex, you can tap on the edit button right next to it. Now, after you've done that, you'll be able to see it says, all right, this is my primary. I can just tap on use a different payment method, hit continue, and then just add a debit card, credit card, add PayPal, or even Cash App to be able to bill on that instead.